then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love.
Hey loves, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today y'all see I did some knotless that came out very cute. And if y'all hear any noise in the back, this is why I do voiceovers, because it be so much commotion in this house. Anyways, yeah, but before we get into the video, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and please turn my post notification bell on so you can be notified every time I post. Your girl's gonna be consistent. Okay? Okay, but anyways, let me stop talking and we're about to get right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with blow dry hair. I have some pre-stretched expression hair. It came with 8 bundles in it. I have my shining gem, also my Rattail Comb, and some sweet almond oil. Also, I have some mousse from Shining Gem. I also have rubber bands and perm rods, but I forgot to show those too. And for this style, I use 1 pack of the expression hair that came with 8 bundles. If you can't find the 8 bundles, get the pack that comes with 3 bundles and just get 3 packs of those. So anyways, here you just see me pouring across ear to ear. Okay guys, so now that I'm done parting this section to my liking, I'm just gonna comb the rest of my hair and just put it in a ponytail. And y'all, I know that my hair is like not completely perfect straight, but that's as straight as it's gonna get. Your girl don't have no eyes in the back of her head, and it's not noticeable, so I can work with that. But anyways, as you guys see, I'm just gonna part this section into 2, going straight down. Okay, so now that I'm done parting, I'm just gonna take my other section and tie it up so it won't get in the way. And after that, I'm just gonna go in with my shining gem. I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm just gonna smooth that part down. I make sure I get the bottom, the sides, all of that, just slick it down. Okay, so now I'm just using like a little edge brush so I could just slick it down more, so when I braid it, it just looks more slick and just tight. Okay y'all, so I'm getting ready to braid, so I'm just gonna part this part into 3. Okay y'all, so now that I'm done parting, I'm going to take a piece of expression hair, and first I'm going to braid my hair first. So I braid it 1 time, as you're going to see here, and then after that I'm going to add the hair. So I didn't get a really good clip right here of me adding the hair, but yeah, it's going to show me adding the hair in a few moments. Okay, so now you guys are just going to see me keep adding hair, and I can't tell you how many strands I put in each braid because I don't count. I just keep on adding hair till I feel like the braid is big enough, and like for other braids, I just keep on adding hair till I feel like, you know, they're the same size. So yeah, I don't count my strands. But anyways, I'm going to speed the process up just a little bit so we can get on to the second braid. Okay guys, so as you see, I'm done with the first braid. I did braid this braid all the way down, but at the end I'm going to unbraid it so I could curl the ends. Okay y'all, so I'm going to show you again. I take my shining gem and I put it all over the part. After that, I go in with my edge control brush and I make sure I smooth it all down. And y'all, I realized that this part is bigger than the first one, and it's okay because nobody gonna see it. But yeah, now I'm just going to part my hair into 3, and I'm going to braid it like once or twice first before I add any hair. And I forgot to say, when I'm braiding, I'm maintaining my grip for a tight look. If I don't grip my hair tight, it's gonna look loose. So yeah, keep in mind, if you guys are braiding your hair, make sure you maintain your grip. Do not let loose, do not let go. Keep that grip so you can get that tight look. Okay, so now you guys just see me adding hair, and watch, I'm still maintaining that grip. I know y'all see my finger right there bending, but I'm still maintaining that grip for that tight look. Okay y'all, so as you see, I'm done with the second braid, and you can't really tell that the second braid is bigger than the first one unless you like real close on my neck. But anyways, let's get right into the second section. Okay, so we're on the second section now, and as you see, I'm just parting it the same way as the first section. Okay, so as you see, I'm done sectioning the second row, and I'm just going to put the rest of the hair in a ponytail. Okay, so now you're just going to see me part the section all the way around. Okay, so I did part the rest off camera because I did need like a big mirror to see all of these parts. So this is how my parts look. Okay, so now I'm just going to repeat the braiding process, which is adding the gem, smoothing it down, maintaining grip, and adding hair. So now I'm just going to speed the process up and let you guys enjoy me braiding the whole head. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, wax so tough, like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way you don't end up. I promise you may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby. I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Hey, oh, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around. Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally. Living on my own again. Okay, y'all, we are finally done. Yes, yes, yes. I really love these on me. They are so cute. But anyways, we about to get right into these perm rods. So I have my rubber band and I'm just going to tie it around the braid. Okay, so now I'm taking the rod and I'm just going to twist the hair around it and just keep on twisting until there's no more hair to twist. It should look like this. And I'm going to do it around the whole head so it should look like that. And now I'm about to dip it in some water. And y'all, when I tell y'all this water was so hot, my lashes was literally about to burn off. So now I'm going to take a towel and I'm going to just dry it off. And then after that, we're going to take these curls out and let's see how that curl comes out, y'all. Boom. Look at that curl, y'all. That curl is giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so now I'm going to take all these rods out, so I'm going to speed the process up. Okay, y'all, so the rods are all out, and look at these curls, y'all. They are so cute. Okay, y'all, so this is the last thing I do. I take my mousse and I just put it all over my head, and this gets rid of the flyaways for me. Okay, so now I got a scarf and I'm just gonna tie my hair up, and then after that I'm gonna get a blow dryer so I could dry the mousse. Okay, so this is the final look, y'all. I really love these. These are like super cute. I will definitely do this style again, but don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn your girl post notification bell on so you guys can be notified every time I post. And I'ma see y'all later.
I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.